In this video, let's talk about are Land Rover Defender wheel spacers safe?
As long as we use quality wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent vexing and loss of clamp force, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. In fact, Land Rover Defender wheel spacers make no difference as wheel with a negative offset. When the wheel nuts are correctly tightened, they will straight elastically to keep everything in the right place. If they are torqued properly, they will never come off. According to the mechanical structure of wheel, half-century wheel spacers are better than lug-century ones. Besides, half-century wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight and fill the gap for a more tightly fit, reducing vibration. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Land Rover Defender wheel spacers, then look no further than Bonus. Bonus manufactures a huge range of Land Rover Defender wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and follow more than 66 SGS NTV test report. All Bonus Land Rover Defender wheel spacers package come complete with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel nuts or ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud to fit your vehicle. All Bonus Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Land Rover Defender wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Bonus off-road wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistance characteristic. Even facing in part, they are not easy to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term application.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.